right, welcome back to the channel, and today I got a box, so we're gonna open it and see what's inside it. Spoiler alert, I know what's inside it, and I'm super stoked about it. A couple videos ago you saw that I did the color matched inner fairing, the color matched handguards, and I was so happy with that I went back to them for a couple other parts. So let's dig into the box and see what we got. Let's go. All right, here we go. I'll show you what I got. It's pretty awesome. There are two pieces to it. And as always, factory match goes over the top in a good way to protect everything. Now, before I show this to you, like I said, I did the color matched inner fairing, and they actually painted my my old one, took it off, you send it in, they paint it and send it back, and this is the same concept. And once I saw the color match on that, I was like, shoot, I really like that. I think I'm going to keep going. And they honestly, they've been showing the problem also is that the bike that they've been using on their Instagram is the same color as mine. So every time they do something, I'm like, I guess I'm doing that too. So what I did is I sent in the air cleaner cover. Look at that. All perfectly color matched to the Whiskey Fire. That looks awesome. Here, so let's show you. I'm gonna actually put it back on the bike, but that's gonna go right here, and just a really nice little pop of color on the engine. I think, oh dude, I cannot wait to get this on. Let's do that. I'm gonna throw this on. The other cool part about this is the other piece, is they also do the back. Oh, look at this. Look, man, they even do the whole back of it. And you got the inside, Mad S, Whiskey Fire. Look at this. Man, this looks so sick. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna get this thing back on, and then I'll show it to you on the bike and how that looks. So we're gonna jump. This is not very exciting. This is super easy. I don't even need Randy to do this. I'm not gonna miss any bolts. So I'm gonna throw this on, and then you just get to see the final color matched and how this looks with the rest of the bike. Let's go. All right, it's on. I'm gonna drop in a little before shot, and then I'm gonna show you the reveal. Here we go. I'm so stoked. It looks so good. Without further ado, let's roll. I gotta say, I'm super happy with it. The color match looks great. I got some dirt and unfortunately a couple scratches there, but it looks so good. I've been super happy with the color match on the inner fairing, color match here. Go to thefactorymatch.com and check out what they got going on, because they have a bunch of different pieces. You can actually get this cam sensor cover color matched. They have a bunch of different things. They're doing tank dashes, they're doing side fairing kits, and they have a whole bunch of trim pieces too for street glides as well. It's like the under the headlight piece, they'll color match that. So, I mean, just this looks awesome. I'm so happy with how this, I'm kind of debating whether there are a few more things. I'm trying to balance it out because I don't want to go full color match and everything, but I'm trying to find a few kind of trim pieces that I think would look pretty good. I'm super happy with this. I've already got the full tank thing here, so I'm not gonna do that because I want to keep the logo on there. I don't know. I need to clean my bike. It's absolutely filthy. Did spring cleaning in the garage today, and I do spring cleaning on the bike. But yeah, I mean, just it looks so good, and just all the color matched parts, and even just the You know, I did the Advan Black for these. Those look good. Just trying to do like a few things. Like this bike is pretty well set up. And now it's just kind of going through and doing some small stuff. That being said, I do have a few big things coming. I've been holding off. I've been super happy with the new bikes. The new suspension is really, really solid. Especially, I'm going to say this again, if you set up the right side. You have to set this side. You take the bag off, there's a tool. That is the rider preload setting. So you set that up for you. The left side you adjust for passenger and luggage. A couple people have been like, oh, I just don't like the suspension. I always ask, like, did you adjust the right side? And they're no. They're like, dude, you saved me $1,500 in suspension. It's good. But I want to try really just to try something different. I've never tried Wilbur suspension. So I'm going to go Matt Laidlaw, Law Abiding Biker, talk about how great it is. So, you know, I put so many long miles on this bike, and the Wilbur's is supposed to be like the best, like kind of performance touring. It's really more touring. I've thought about doing Öhlins. But you know, that really is kind of like a track, really like straight up performance. And so I don't know that I want to go that hard when we do ride hard in the twisties when we get there, but we do long miles. That's why I keep calling this bike, it's a performance touring bike, not a performance bagger, performance touring. So, but now we've got like the touring stuff set up and like the style. And again, once again, just looking through, I'm stepping on the popcorn, you know, just some nice color. I just love that. Look at that. It's just a nice little pop of color on the motor. I could see color match it, you know, colored like doing this, like a nice little trim, although look, that gets shaved off. So that's probably not a good way to spend money. All right, there we go. It is all set up, looks good. This was kind of a short video because I didn't have a whole lot to do, but I thought it was worth showing because I love that color match look so much. And you know, the other thing you can do is you don't have to do color match. You can do like a different color. Like I could even see, actually, if I had a white bike, I don't know if I would do the inner fairing all white. That's a lot of white, but I probably would do like a really nice gloss black. That could be pretty sick, kind of do more of that contrast. That's why, again, I said in the other video, that's why I left the speakers black. Probably gonna get some gloss ones, some nice Rockford Fosgate ones. I don't know, I might do audio. I really like my Cardo setup. I don't need it. So I might just see if I can find some speakers in a nice like gloss black, just to shine it up. All right, rolled the bike outside because it's at least a little bit warmer, but also because I wanted to see it outside. I got something else in kind of the same color matched realm. Something else showed up. I'm pretty excited about it. I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you in a minute. And let's look at the bike one last time. And I'm going to show you. Well, here, you know what? I'm just going to tell you. I got some speaker girls in here. Here, we'll grab them out. So I found on eBay, this is the first time I've ordered something on eBay in like a decade. But these are the nice Rockford Fosgate metal speaker grills. And as explained before, if you look at the bike, I actually wanted to keep these black, like I said. So I've got the color matched inner fairing, the Advan Black, you know, the color match. These are from the like I said, the factorymatch.com. These Advan Black ones. But I really like the contrast. I didn't want to do the speaker grills also color matched. It's just a lot of whiskey fire, and I like kind of this, you know, looking in, kind of get the contrast of everything. But I wanted to get away from, I didn't want to do the flat black in here, kind of just the matte. I wanted something a little bit nicer. But also, if you've watched any other videos, you know that I'm a Cardo guy. I really love music in my helmet. I don't plan on upgrading the speakers just because I don't use them. I don't want to blast music really loud. I want to hear it in my helmet. So it did not make sense to spend $1,200 to get these Stage 3 speakers, an amp, just to get the speaker grills. Which, if you like music, the Rockford Fosgate Stage 3, they're really, really nice. They work incredibly well. You install the amp, you add an additional amp up here, you install the speakers. It's pretty easy to do. I think you can do it all at home if you want. I didn't want to do that. So, like I said, I went on eBay, I found some of the speaker grills, and I'm going to throw those on here, and then let's see what it looks like. So hold on, I'm going to throw it on. We'll do a quick little before, and then I'll show you the after, and then we'll talk about it for a few minutes. So let's go. All right, well, there you go. Before and after, you know, and then this is going to seem like something really small. I get that, but it's just like that's we're in refinement mode with this bike. You know, we're refining color matched the fairing, you know, the color match down here. This just looks really nice. They're metal. They were $60 on eBay. There's not a lot of them on there. This guy had a couple of them, but so for $60, super easy. It looks really, really nice on here. Just refines the look of the speakers. And yeah, it says Rockford, and I don't have Rockford in there, but I don't care. It looks really, really nice. So I am stoked about that. I'm trying to decide, just to give you a little bit of a tease, I think I'm done with color matched parts with the Whiskey Fire. I think I found the right balance. I was saying earlier, you know, if I went any more than that, it'd just be a lot. And I like the contrast of the black and the red. So trying to keep in that vein. But what I might do is I'm very curious what a few kind of like black chrome pieces would look like on this bike. So, and it's very possible that would wreck this kind of black and Whiskey Fire look. But I'm going to try it. I'm going to order a couple parts and see how they look, see if they vibe with the bike, and then you know, and go from there. So yeah, it's all just about kind of refining the look. And I may have mentioned this before, but you know, there's a lot of Whiskey Fire bikes out there, and it's all about kind of trying to make it your own. You know, that's the fun part about it. People are all like, well, I don't just buy a bike that you don't have to customize. I don't have to customize it. This bike is phenomenal out of the box. I want to. It is fun. It is fun to tweak it and make it my own and change different things. So we've got some more updates coming to this bike. So stick around, and we will. You'll just have to see what all we come up with, and then down the road here a little bit, this next summer, we got a big trip coming up, and it's going to be amazing. So definitely stay tuned. I'll kind of release some more information about that as we get closer. But yeah, that's it. All right, color match parts, new speaker grills. It is just warm enough. I might go throw on the heated jacket and go for a rip real quick. So, all right, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Remember, order some gear, support the channel. Go click on the link down in the description. Get yourself some Full Tank stickers, beanie, t-shirt, sweatshirt. I really appreciate it. You know, every little bit helps to keep the channel going. So, peace out. Have a good day. Have a good ride. Catch you later. Bye.